This density-to-weight interactive calculator solves a fundamental engineering problem we face daily, converting between density, volume, and weight parameters when working with materials. Whether you're designing components, calculating material requirements, or verifying specifications, this tool handles all the essential conversions. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate weight from density and volume, calculate density from weight and volume, calculate volume from weight and density, calculate mass from density and volume, calculate specific weight from density, or calculate bulk weight from density, volume, and quantity. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Weight. Next is the density input with units including kilograms per cubic meter, grams per cubic centimeter, pounds per cubic foot, and pounds per cubic inch. Then we have volume with options for cubic meters, cubic centimeters, liters, cubic feet, cubic inches, and US gallons. The weight mass field accepts kilograms, grams, pounds, ounces, or metric tons. There's also a quantity field for bulk calculations, and gravitational acceleration defaulted to 9.81 meters per second squared. Let's work through an example. Say we're calculating the weight of an aluminum component. I'll enter 2700 for density, selecting kilograms per cubic meter. That's aluminum's density. For volume, I'll enter 0.0025 cubic meters, about the size of a small housing. Hit Calculate. The primary result shows 6.75 kilograms. The input summary confirms our entered values. Alternate units provides conversions, here showing 14.88 pounds. The material classification helps verify we're in the right range for aluminum. Common mistake. Always double-check your unit consistency before calculating. Mixing metric and imperial units is the fastest way to costly errors. Find the link in the description below.